Hello, my name is Luke East. I'm a team manager and client liaison of a company called Oceana. We were given the brief for our client, Jeffrey Slizzers, for the creation of a website to update the existing website so that we can take him more seriously in a digital world. For our brief, this means I'll develop the timescales for the project to make sure that the team stays on track with the design and development of the website. By using Microsoft Project, I can set out the timescale and manage the projects. I also talk to the clients about the plans for the website design and gain feedback from them in order to keep the website design to standards which suits their needs. Alex Stokely, who is also the web developer and legal research of Oceana, he will deal with the creation of the website. He will be using designs made by Jake and change them accordingly in order for them to make an Adobe Dreamweaver. Jake is also research into legal constraints. He can make sure that any content put in design is allowed to be shown on the website. Jake Plummer, who is also design and concept research and creation of assets for the website of Oceana. Jake will be designing the website by creating multiple designs, which he will work with Alex to develop into a final design for Alex to create. As Jake is designing website templates, he will also be researching into content used by websites to get an idea of how they put across information in order for us to maintain the professional website design that Jeffries want. Jake will also work with Alex to design things like buttons and logos for use on the website.
Hi, I'm Jake Plummer and I'll be designing the website templates. In order for the website to look professional, I'll be researching into the other websites from law firms and solicitors to see how they portray in the digital world. Using this information, I've mocked up a few designs to show you now so you can get an idea of how we design for this website. So here we've got a few simple templates that I've mocked up myself. I've got template 1 right here, which is a simple design with all of the content being placed in the middle of the website with tabs and logos being placed at the top. Here I've got another template with all links right here, so that they're down the side, and this will be the consistent layout right for the entire website. Every page right here will just change the content blocks and the image blocks with the logo and the banner at the top at all times. Again, much like template 1, this is just a different layout with the links down the side and then the banner and logo on the top with all the content around with all the legal information at the bottom. And then lastly, again, a same mock-up of template 1, only in a different style right here to suit the needs, obviously, of the user. Lastly, I'll be creating assets to be used on the website, such as buttons, logos and banners to maintain a professional look of the website, and I'll make sure any content included will be suitable for this.
Hi, I'm Alex Stokely and I'm going to be the web developer of the group Oceana. I will be creating the website. This will be taking the assets that Jake will be creating and putting them on the website, making them working links for the 5 different pages that we have to create. In order to maintain this, the professional standard, I will be working with Jake all the way along to make sure everything's consistent, to make sure the terms and conditions are set out right, to make sure all the links work, to make sure all the banners are in the right places and nothing moves about across the different pages. In order to make sure all the content is legal, I will be researching into the legal requirements of the website. This is mainly about things like not taking content from other websites, like stealing banners or stealing link designs and things like that, so make sure everything's original work. And to make sure that any information that's put on the website is legal, so information on clients is obviously illegal, so we won't be able to put stuff like that, and to make sure that I go to Luke, who's obviously liaising with the client, to make sure that everyone who works there is okay with us them having their information on the website to show who's actually working at the firm. In order to make sure that everything's professional, I will make the ideas, make the website, and then I'll give this to Luke. He will go back to the client and make sure that it's to a standard that they feel is right for them. This will give them a professional website which puts them in the digital media.
We'll be working on the site and the creation of the website over 2 months, in which time we'll be maintaining contact with our clients in order to gain feedback on every aspect of the development of the website. This will allow us to make any changes to our designs or content we're going to include in order to fit the client's needs and requirements. We hope we can develop the website to fit your exact needs. Thank you for your time.